Evaporative emission systems have been required equipment since the early 70s. At the heart of these systems is the canister purge valve, which releases fuel vapors stored in the purge canister to the engine for combustion. Most purge valves eventually fail from regular wear and undercar exposure to the elements. When this happens, the vehicle can be difficult to restart and the check engine light can come on, leading to an emissions inspection failure in most states. Dorman leads the aftermarket in direct replacement EVAP canister purge valves. Each one has been designed to be durable against the ravages of salt, moisture, and other road debris. They've also been tested on vehicles in the real world and have undergone laboratory testing to ensure trouble-free performance. In addition to canister purge valves, Dorman also offers a full line of other fuel emissions components, including EVAP canisters, vent valves, leak detection pumps, and more, to ensure a healthy evaporative emission system. That's why, when you need quality direct replacement parts, you should always check Dorman first.